Do you ever wish booking an appointment was as simple as a few clicks, without the endless phone tag or waiting on hold? Imagine a world where you could effortlessly schedule your next hair appointment, a therapy session, a consultation with a financial advisor, or even a dog grooming session, all from the comfort of your couch, at any time of day or night. Well, that world isn't a fantasy. It's the reality for customers using Setmore. Setmore is a powerful, yet incredibly user-friendly, online appointment scheduling platform that empowers businesses to manage their bookings efficiently, and more importantly, it makes the entire booking process a breeze for you, the customer. No more jumping through hoops, no more frustrating back and forths. Setmore is designed with simplicity and convenience at its core, ensuring you can book the services you need, when you need them, without a hitch. So, how exactly do customers book on Setmore? Let's break it down, step by step, and show you just how seamless the experience is. The entire customer booking journey on Setmore revolves around what's called the booking page. Think of this as your personal gateway to a business's available services, staff, and real-time schedule. Businesses using Setmore will typically share this booking page link in various places. It could be prominently displayed on their website, shared on their social media profiles like Facebook or Instagram, included in their email signatures, or even accessible via a QR code. Your first step is simply to find and click on that link. Once you land on the business's Setmore booking page, you'll immediately notice how clean and intuitive it is. It's designed to be mobile-friendly, so whether you're on your phone, tablet, or desktop, the experience will be smooth. The very first thing you'll likely do is select the service you're looking for. Businesses often categorize their services, making it easy to navigate. For example, a salon might have categories like haircuts, coloring, styling, and within haircuts, you might see options for men's cut, women's cut, or kids' cut. Simply click or tap on the service that you need. After choosing your service, if the business has multiple staff members who provide that service, you'll then be prompted to select a provider. This is great if you have a favorite stylist, therapist, or trainer you prefer to work with. If you don't have a preference, or if there's only one provider for that service, there might even be an Any Team Member option to quickly show all available slots. Now comes the crucial part, selecting your date and time. Setmore's booking page displays the business's real-time availability. You'll see a mini calendar where you can click on a specific day, and then a list of all the open time slots for your chosen service and provider will appear. This means no more guessing if a slot is actually open. What you see is what's available. The system automatically accounts for existing appointments, buffer times, and staff working hours, preventing any accidental double bookings. What's even better, if you're booking across different time zones, Setmore can often display the available times in your local time zone, making it incredibly convenient for virtual appointments or businesses with a global clientele. Once you've picked the perfect date and time, the next step often involves providing your contact information. If this is your first time booking with the business through Setmore, you'll typically be asked for your name, email address, and phone number. This information is essential for the business to send you confirmations and reminders. Many businesses also offer the option to create a customer profile. Creating a customer profile is highly recommended, especially if you plan to book with that business again. It saves your contact information for future bookings, meaning you won't have to re-enter it every time. Plus, with a customer login, you can often manage your upcoming and past appointments, things like viewing details, rescheduling, or even canceling an appointment online, if the business allows it. You might even have the option to log in using your Google or Facebook account for added convenience. Some businesses might even have custom contact fields to gather specific information relevant to your appointment. After you've entered your details, you'll usually see a summary screen displaying all the appointment information: the service, the provider, the date, the time, and your contact details. This is your chance to quickly review everything and ensure it's correct. Finally, with a simple click of the Book Appointment button, your appointment is confirmed. You'll receive an instant email confirmation with all the details of your booking. This email often includes a direct link to reschedule or cancel your appointment, giving you complete control and flexibility. Depending on the business's settings, You might also receive automated email or even text message reminders closer to your appointment time, which are incredibly helpful for reducing no-shows and keeping you on track. For businesses that accept online payments, you might also have the option to pay for your service directly through the booking page at the time of booking, or pay a deposit. This adds another layer of convenience and can sometimes even be a requirement for certain services. Setmore integrates with popular payment gateways like Square, Stripe, and PayPal, ensuring secure transactions. In essence, Setmore transforms the traditional appointment booking headache into a streamlined, customer-centric experience. It puts the power of scheduling directly into your hands, allowing you to book, manage, and even reschedule appointments with ease, 24/7, from anywhere with an internet connection. It's all about making your life simpler and ensuring you can get the services you need without unnecessary hassle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.